Kirti Vadalkar madam, she is from Dombivli, Saudavini, is PIC president, and next year she is district administrative secretary, and she is going to talk on committees and CLP. So madam.
Good afternoon. They say when there is a very difficult topic to be discussed, either you invite a very boring speaker or you invite a speaker with a very coarse voice so that people don't go off to sleep. I think I'm both. So rest assured, I'm definitely going to give you very difficult jargons. Another problem is I'm a professor by, or I am a trainer by profession. My lectures go on for hours. So whoever is going to speak after me, be careful. And all of you, the topic is also so difficult that soch lo bhaiya kya karna hai. It's club committees and club leadership plan. Now we have been listening to strategic planning, club leadership and this and that since morning. Why in the first place is it required? Abhi Nikhil ne itna acha bataya, we can conduct all those projects, have weekly meetings and do away with the year. ये सब करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? In the first place, because we are different from any local mandal. कोई गणेशोत्सव मंडल, Sai Bhandara Mandal, yeah, any political party. What is the difference? Here the president forms that mandal with some like-minded people, and the same committee runs the mandal for years to come. And there is no control of anyone on that. So if it is my mandal, I will decide how to spend the money. I will decide what to do. I will decide everything, right? But in Rotary, that is not the case. Whenever you are the president, you are there only 365 days. So, bas 365 din ka hi khel hai. And you have to play it so well that when you hand over the baton to the next person, the person is happy, the person at the same time is tensed to receive the baton because you have done so well in your year that he or she has to carry the same legacy, if not more. He must do at least jo aapne kiya hai, right? And for that, you should have some good planning in place. Another thing is, we always see members. Now, I know we all here are from new clubs. You will find people striving to get into your BOD. मुझे BOD में पोस्ट दिया नहीं, ये टॉपिक आपके यहाँ डिस्कशन का हो सकता है. Maybe some people will be so angry with you that अरे उसको मैंने उस दिन खाना खिलाया फिर भी मुझे उसने BOD में लिया नहीं. क्या समझता है अपने आप को? Getting into the BOD is not only for that prestigious pin that you receive. Please remember to tell all your BOD members, it is actually said that the presidential year for the president is there only to enjoy. Enjoy for him as a president, and the BOD should support him with all the roles assigned to the BOD members. So whoever is a vocational person, he comes with the plan, he presents, he sees to it that the project is done. अपने यहाँ होता exactly उल्टा है. President secretary, at the most secretary I am saying. So president secretary goes, they try to finish the project, and the BOD person comes around time. So definitely try to understand why we should have CLP and committees in place, right? Now they say we are in Rotary. This is what you have been hearing since you came yesterday. What is the difference? We are guided by certain administrative procedures set by RI. As I said, I cannot decide my club will run on this fashion. Yes, in India we all do that. If you happen to visit some clubs abroad, you will find how strictly do they cater to the guidelines set by RI. अपने यहाँ तो सब कुछ चलता है और चला लेते हैं. But at least in the next year, you try that you will understand the RI procedures and you will stick to what all are the administrative norms set by RI. Another thing is the organization which has been there for more than a century. Why is it there? Because there are certain set procedures, there are certain set norms. When you have proper discipline in place, you will see the wheel keeps rolling. Agar discipline nahi hai, if the wheel is punctured, you cannot expect your car to run. Maintenance proper chahiye, and for that you should have procedures in place. And that's why we have something called the RI procedures which are laid out for us. Then we also heard about something about effective clubs, vibrant clubs, correct? Now, is it possible for us that we have small clubs? So should it be an effective club? Is it possible? Somebody will say कि अरे हमारा club तो 2 साल ही हुआ है, इस अभी से कहाँ vibrant, कहाँ effective? ऐसा नहीं है. When you show the mettle, जब आप में कुछ करने की ताकत है, you know that you can definitely make your club a vibrant club, right? Or an effective club. अभी हम लोग देख रहे थे, it is not a mandal, right? That is the basic that we must remember. So why should you have this plan in place? For the first reason that your club should become sustainable. अभी ये sustainable नाम की चीज जो है ना वो हर जगह पे आती है. You talk about progress, you should have sustainable progress. You talk about development, you should have sustainable development. ये चीज है क्या? And another thing is you also should have something called continuity. Continuity and sustainability दोनों साथ साथ चलते हैं. Continuity जब रहेगी तभी आपका क्लब सस्टेनेबल रहेगा. एक वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मुझे याद आता है. अभी किसी ने रोटरी फ्रेंडशिप एक्सचेंज के बारे में पूछा. आई वॉज इन द टीम विच वेंट टू युगांडा फॉर रोटरी फ्रेंडशिप एक्सचेंज. वहाँ पे एक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट मैंने देखा. द यूथ ऑफ द कंट्री दे आर carried away, उनको बहुत सारे नशा है, so many problems with the youth fraternity. रोटरी इन युगांडा उन्होंने क्या किया कि ऐसे सारे बच्चों को जमा किया, उनको कुछ अच्छा सिखाया. पहले तो जो भी नशा वो करते थे उसमें से उनको बाहर निकाला. सो डी एडिक्शन ड्राइव फर्स्ट. उसके बाद उनका काउंसलिंग किया. उसके बाद उनको कुछ नए रास्ते पे चलना सिखाया. Was all this possible in 1 year? Definitely not. एक साल में हम लोग किसी के नशे का वो आदत भी नहीं छुड़वा सकते हैं. So अगर एक प्रेसिडेंट ही ये करना चाहता था तो वो नहीं संभव था. So उसके लिए क्या चाहिए था? Continuity. So the present president must work in tandem with the previous and the incoming president. Correct? This continuity ensures that your rotary wheel rotates smoothly. That is, ये जो भी प्रोजेक्ट आप करना चाहते हैं वो एक साल का प्रोजेक्ट ना रह के वो हर साल के लिए आप कर सकते हैं. Right? So continuity and sustainability, they are the most important points in your club leadership plan. Yes, foundation or membership, everyone will be talking about it, everyone will be asking you to support it. Why should you do it? If you have good continuous projects, जब आपके पास दिखाने लायक कुछ है, आप कहते हो कि मेरा क्लब ये सब करता है, तो you can sell your club very effectively to new members. अब आप बोलोगे, I met some people who said, in my club हम लोग 15 जन हैं, and we are very happy with it. We don't want to add more members. Yes, maybe you are happy with your 15 people. लेकिन एक बात ध्यान रखिए, जो तलाव असतो त्याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही पाणी वरून टाकत गेले नाही तर तो तलाव सगळा सुकत जातो. That is, you don't have any new ideas which are pouring in. You must have some good people coming in. When there are good people coming in, there will be some good ideas coming in, and you don't get stagnant. तलाव सुकून जाणार नाही. So ideas will definitely remain there. Another thing, हे रोटरी फाउंडेशनला आम्ही का सपोर्ट करायचं? There are so many people who will say की माझे पैसे मी माझ्या हाताने खर्च करेल. But you will have people coming and telling you about Rotary Foundation, wherein you can multiply your funds and do bigger projects instead of just doing some smaller projects. So to ensure the continuity and sustainability in all these matters, you should have a proper club leadership plan in place. Now, as I said, the club board सिर्फ एक prestige का issue नहीं है. Club board is an effective support system for the president. So president ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ president ही काम कर रहा है. The entire board is working and the entire board is supporting the president. अभी again as Nikhil was explaining you about the avenues of service, you can have the board of directors represented in each of the avenues of service. But as the size of the club grows, and another thing, जैसे मैंने बोला कि getting into the BOD is a prestigious issue. So, अगर मुझे भी BOD में आना है, अगले को भी आना है, इसको भी आना है, you can always include each one of them. You can entrust them with some work by including them in committees. So, different types of committees you can form in your club, which are maybe club administration committees, you have a PR committee, you have a membership committee, service projects के लिए committee कर सकते हो, and yes, Rotary Foundation. These are some basic standing committees you should follow, so that the committee looks into that particular matter, and the president gets a full support from the committee under that heading, right? Again, what the club committees will do. तीन जन एक committee में अगर मैंने रख दिए, तो what will they do? You can have the club admin committee to look into all those aspects of your weekly meetings and the club programs. The PR committee looking into the selling of your club, definitely. Membership, yes, they will look into how the membership will develop. Service projects, that is the crux of your Rotary. तो आप लोग different projects कहाँ से लाएंगे और वो सब projects आप कैसे करोगे, उसके लिए you can have service projects committee. Yes, Rotary Foundation and youth service. Again, the youth service committee will look into the Rotract club, the Interact clubs, फिर Raila, Ripen. When you conduct all these programs properly, the committee can definitely spend time. वो लोग more the merrier, as it is said. एक जन से अच्छा 10 जन अच्छा काम करेंगे. So more the merrier. Your committee will definitely give good results to you. Yes, in the club organization, as I said, again, under all these committees, suppose you have some doubts, whom should you concern? The district is always there to support, and for the club administration, any problem you can always refer to the assistant governors. For the PR, you have the PR committee in place in the district. For membership, yes, DMC hai, you have the membership team to help you. Service projects, the district grants committee can help you. We will also have the GMS coming. Even abhi Shrijit ne bhi bataya. So under service projects, you can definitely take help of the district programs committee. Same thing with your foundation and youth service. Committee में कौन होना चाहिए? That is also important because आज ये committee में मैं हूँ, कल दूसरा है, परसों तीसरा है. That is not what we want. We are aiming at continuity. So a person, you appoint 3 persons. One is the chairman. 1 person retires every year, and these 3 people continue to be there. Your president is always a de facto member of the committee. You can add each member, you can add one member each year. So committees will ensure proper functioning of the club. All chairs are appointed by the president, or you can always have them in your annual meeting, whichever suits your club structure. You can, the committees are accountable and they report to the BOD. And yes, you can organize and implement various projects effectively. The decision is taken by the incoming board, but with the help of the committees. You can hold a club assembly, invite your AG, and then present the committees. You can have a timeline set, so maybe abhi aap wapas jayenge, January, you can start working on forming different committees. And you can then implement the committee programs from June. Benefits, yes, the continuity is ensured, your club is sustainable. You have better leaders coming up. When people know what is to do in under different avenues, they will definitely come up. और ऐसा भी है कि एक member को अगर 4 चीजें पता चल गई, तो definitely he will be interested in taking up the mantle further. प्रेसिडेंट बनने के लिए कोई तैयार होता नहीं है, सो मे बी अगर 4 जगह पे काम करने का अनुभव मिल गया तो persons will be there, and yes, you can provide people who are beyond the club level. The takeaways from CLP is you must ensure continuity. So to ensure continuity and sustainability, as I said, you need the club leadership plan and committees to support it. It's a smooth transition for the BOD and the presidents because, as I said, they are there to support the president. We must work towards an effective club so that we have certain ongoing projects in which men may come and men may go, but Rotary goes on forever. Thank you.
Is there anybody who wants to ask any question? Thank you very much, Kirti madam.
I have already इन सबको पटा के रखा है, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो देखो सब डरते हैं.
Thank you very much, Kirti madam. I request Satish ji to please hand over a small moment to Kirti madam.
Thank you for completing early, so I can now speak.
In fact, I told him that I will keep continuing, and his continuity is
Thank you very much, friends. Now our next